Vice Chancellor wa University ya Kisii Professor Nathan Ogechi nigagokere getambukiro kyogochaki gwakwo Ogechi bwenyumba chioburaro inse iyo murweri bw'erigori inse gose affordable housing imehe University ya Kisii koregana nere nigamagacha jwarengete gochikorirwa obumenyo bwaborokyo gwetanirwe emone chimisano ase borachi konyaraka abo kororobia emeroberio ya masomo ime University eyo.
We were here today to hand over the site for our student village that will be done in the next 52 weeks. So the site has been handed over and we look forward to having nice things. Student village is not an ordinary hostel. We are talking about a village or buildings that have all that it takes to make a student's life experience in the university comfortable. I'm told there are so many amenities that are associated with that, and we look forward to having the groundbreaking ceremony done not very long from now, and as it was said, in the next 52 weeks, we look forward to having the hostels. But what is exciting to me is that we have buildings and a village that will not only enhance the quality of life for the students here, but one that will also attract international students, and that goes a long way in our internationalization agenda and our vision of inclusivity and borderlessness. We have an active student population of 24,000 plus. And the 24,000 plus, we only accommodate 500 of them. The rest live in the neighborhood. What we know is that the accommodation could be there, but the quality of the accommodation in the neighborhood and the access to other things, including internet, including good water for drinking, and other things may not be there. So what we are talking about is alleviating a serious problem that is here in this project.
We are glad to hand over the project. The contractor has 14 days to mobilize. We officially have handed him the site today. A lot of groundwork. We appreciate the university for having done. This is the geotech, this is the topo survey, and therefore we shall just do a little bit of mobilization from the part of the contractor. Our next meeting to the site or to the project should be in the 3rd week from now. So I expect the contractor right away to move to site. The time is ticking. We are counting his duration of the 53 weeks from today.